everyone, it's Lexi and welcome to Train Insane, a video series that will teach you how to fly your FPV drone and how to exceed your peers in doing so. And today we're going to be talking about reversed splitters, the racing way, okay? Probably it's not the same way for freestyle and cinematic, so I'm gonna just say it's racing mostly, just to make it fast, just to make it look kinda okay. Maybe for some freestyle, probably not anything for cinematic, so bear with me here, okay? If you are not familiar with anything that's on your screen right now, feel free to pause so you will get to know how to download the track and things like this. And thank you very much to the sponsors of today's video, Tattoo, Torval, FPV24 and smaller sponsors that are on your screen right now, as well as thank you to Boner FPV for helping me out with creating tracks for this series so we have something to train on, because he's much better in creating tracks than me, especially to make them look good. Because that's totally not me. Remember the series 2? That's not good. So without further ado, let's do some reversed splitters. Now let us go through all the levels so you know what you are standing on and what you need to train. If you are a beginner pilot, you will probably have a couple of things here. One, overshooting things a lot, so you are really far away from the obstacle every single time you come in back there. And if you don't know how to do a splitters, which is the obstacle in here, there is a video I'm leaving you in the description and as well as in the cards right here, so you can learn how to do a splitters before learning how to do the reverse splitters, or you can learn it the other way around. That's absolutely fine. Don't turn off this video. Now it's really important to also see how your flight looks like compared to those things. If you have two screens and you can record your own flying, this may be actually pretty helpful to you, I think. In general, and yeah, that's gonna be the thing. Now, if you're an intermediate pilot, your flight may look a little bit more like that. So it's fast. Some of the things are way overshot, the others are pretty nice. There's some perfect movements as well, obviously, because you're an intermediate pilot. It's just that it's not perfect every single time. There's also a lot of hitting the floor because of the speed, and also a lot of over correction, mostly on the roll. So if you see that you are doing this a lot, this is probably a give tell thing, basically that. Now, yeah, it's going to look a little bit jerky. So if your flight looks jerky, you're probably somewhere there. Now, if you are an advanced pilot, you probably know what I'm about to say, which is slow is smooth, smooth is fast. And you just want to make a smooth movement everywhere. Just stay really close to an obstacle at all times and just make this flight as nice looking and generally at the end fast as possible. And look, it's kind of closer, it's less jerky, it's more controlled of a movement throughout the entire thing. Now, as you can see here on the timings, it is actually a thing. Like the second flight looks super fast, but it wasn't that fast at the end. So let us go through the timings and what you need to train through every single one of them. If your time is more than 40 seconds, you are probably around the beginner level. And that means that I would like you to try to pre-position yourself. Try to not go straight through the gate and then turn and then go through the gate again. Try to make a movement with your roll and yaw that actually makes you turn around even before you hit the actual gate, okay? So this is what I want you to do. Just make this little turn, then go up when you are ready, or add a little bit of more throttle, or take it away if you just turned around and you went really high. And just try to learn how to turn much faster in the nicer moment, okay? We don't want to go straight for the gate, turn around. We want to turn around while we are in the gate, okay? This is the best thing that I can tell you when it goes to the reversed splitters. Now, if you are below 40 seconds but above 30 seconds, you are probably around the intermediate level, and I would like you to just take a little bit off the throttle and off the pitch, okay? We want to use a little bit less of it, and then try to make your movement smooth. I want you to take care of how you are entering the gate, of how far you go when you turn around and you start going to your back. Just add a little bit more throttle. Just add a little bit more force to go back as fast as possible. And also train to stay within the gate or as close to the gate as it is possible for you. So be a little bit slower, train to be closer, and once you train to be closer, you can start adding some throttle to it. Now, if you are below 30 seconds, you are already doing a great job, congratulations. And what I want you to train is to try to turn around while already going up. With time, you will actually know your drone well enough to know how much throttle, yaw, and roll you need to add at the same time to get just straight in front of the next gate and just move pitch forward to start going through it. So it's going to be a really smooth movement, and yes, it's not gonna be the same all the time and not gonna be perfect all the time, but the more you train it, the better the muscle memory when it goes to the movement, and at one point you will be able to do it all the time pretty perfectly. Now let me show you how it's supposed to be done without talking. Oh, come on. This is all that I wanted to tell you about the reversed splitters. If you have any questions or requests, leave them please down below in the comments. And also leave me an emoticon, leave me a comment, just general. I really like talking to you, and I'm always answering every single one of those comments, so please, let's talk. I love talking. So, don't forget to follow our monthly calendar, which is available for you in the description box. You are getting it delivered to you to absolutely free, directly to your inbox every month. So it's every month there for you, so you can follow all of the training stuff and just, you know, get better that much faster. I am sharing the Train Insane tutorial series every single Saturday on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe so you will not miss out on any of those, because maybe you will miss them, you never know. And also don't forget to smash that bell button so it actually informs you that there is a new video. It sometimes it doesn't, I don't know why. Actually, did it tell you? Leave me a comment. Like, did it tell you, like, have you seen this video on your feed or something? Do you get a notification? I'm always interested in how it works like. Anyway, in the meantime, while you are waiting for the new video, maybe check out this one. This is about the normal splitters, so maybe you need the training on this one. Why not? I will see you in the next one. Stay awesome, fam. Bye!